Welcome back to Aqyla Art Channel. Today we're taking you to our factory tour, but before we start with the tour, let's start with KUSAKABE's history. Everything started with this gentleman, Shigechi KUSAKABE, who was born in 1900 in Gifu Prefecture in Japan. He was not a businessman or a painter, but he was actually a pharmacist. And one day his friend approached him saying, "Hey Shigechi, do you think you can create oil paint for me?" And Shigechi thought to himself, I know a lot about medicine but don't know anything about paint, but it certainly sounds like a very interesting idea. So he got help from his artist friend Shintaro Yamashita to start creating paint with their own hands. And that paint became very popular amongst artists, and that was the very beginning of KUSAKABE paint. And today, after almost 19 years, we still stand here in the heart of Japan in Saitama Prefecture, still creating beautiful paint for artists. Our factory tour is open for anyone, and you are always more than welcome to come join us. And in our tour, we'll show you all the details of how to create our beautiful paint. Our staff will explain to you each process, and you can see freshly made paint in our factory. And you can of course play with it, and you get to see all those different colors that we create in here. We package our product in our factory too. And that's how those paints you see in stores are made. After learning how paints are made, it's time for you to create your own paint. And our instructor explains to you the basic knowledge about paint. Depending on what you mix your pigment with, you get either oil paint, watercolor, acrylic, or Aqyla. And now it's time for you to create on. So prepare your pigment and then mix it with the medium of your choice. And now you have your own special paint. And in our factory, it's like our museum. Everywhere you look, there's an art. And these ones in particular are done by Cambodian children, and all the proceeds goes to supporting their art education. I hope you enjoyed our virtual factory tour and that you will be able to join us for the actual factory tour sometime soon. Our friendly faces are waiting for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.